my god. Oh my god.
I froze my shirt last night.
Now look at this.
Dave gave me a mug like this.
Uma escolha dela.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I have a boyfriend.
No, ma'am, I was trying to tell you.
I have a boyfriend.
Ma'am.
Oh
listen.
my god, what do you not understand? I have a boyfriend.
Ma'am, listen, I'm not trying to be your boyfriend. I'm trying to tell you have a flat tire and I was going to help you change your tire.
Oh my, can you help me?
No, I can't. I have a girlfriend.
That was close.
What the fuck? Dude, flip.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Para allá. Venga, gracias.
Qué bueno, tío. Ole tú.
Dear God, can you please send me $1 million?
No.
Dear God, if you could just send me $1 million,
No.
God, is that you?
Yeah.
So why can't I have $1 million?
You don't need $1 million. I already sent you a good
I
woman.
don't want no good woman. What I'm gonna do with a good woman? You keep sending me good woman after good woman and it ain't working. Just send me $1 million, bro. Dang. What I'm gonna do with that?
What you gonna do with
What
it?
you mean what I'm gonna do with $1 million? I'm gonna buy AP, I'm gonna bust it down.
No.
I mean, I can't, man.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what you doing, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't play.
I thought my life was bad until I watched this.
I'm from Beaver Creek, Wisconsin, and my wife, Juniper, and I have been married now for 12 years. A lot of people don't see Juniper the way I do. Love you.
Knock him off! Knock him!
Now look at this.
Wait for it.
Oh, caught in a bed romance. Oh, caught in bed romance. Oh, caught in a bed romance. Oh. Oh. Go in a bedroom.